watch me unbox this synthetic wig and give you some wig influencer tips while I'm at it. So tip one, I would say post on Instagram. Make sure you're consistent with posting on Instagram because all of my hair collaboration, not all, but most of them come from Instagram Reels. Make sure you post there consistently and use the Wig Influencer hashtags. You can follow me on Instagram to see what hashtags I use. And tip two, I would say to make one install video and batch create content off of that one install video. I can break my video down into about 10 or 15 videos off of one install video. If you don't know how to do that, just go to my page or any wig influencer page to get a reference of what I'm talking about and just recreate some of the content that I already have posted. Follow me for more tips.